What do you envision when you open your eyes in one of the busiest cities of the world? A life that brings you rising opportunities and renewing possibilities. What you also witness is a lifestyle that brings you increasing stress and emerging lifestyle ailments. Can you then experience a life that exclusively greets your view with joy and comfort? You can. Welcome to a world that reintroduces the healing touch of nature into your daily existence. Welcome to Sangvi EcoCity, Dahisar. An investment into a life of good health and not just a lifestyle of great comforts. A world designed to enable you to live healthy, live happy. Sangvi Group presents Sangvi EcoCity. Live healthy. A home can only be luxury if it is well connected. Sangvi EcoCity is at a convenient distance from Western Express Highway. The airport is less than 25 minutes away, while you can reach the nearest railway station in 10 minutes. Within a 13-acre spread, EcoCity brings the very luxury that's disappeared off the city blueprint. The luxury of green spaces. The contemporary architecture of EcoCity reflects this fundamental human insight and stands out amidst the burgeoning high-rises of this city's suburb. Even before you enter the premises, nature marks her presence with a generous portion of green everywhere. The large podium parking offered to an ample number of cars. As you walk inside, be greeted by 4 expansive acres of lush greenery and enchanting gardens. Entrust your child to the finest care at a proposed premier school right next to home. It is a fulfilling experience as each home has access to a variety of facilities that comes just from being part of this new age residential complex. Enjoy moments of serenity with your loved ones at the expansive podium garden just footsteps away from your luxurious home. At EcoCity, your entry into a world of holistic well-being begins with a warm welcome. Discover a choice of recreational amenities to transform boring weekdays. A state-of-the-art gym invites you to discover the secret to everlasting health and happiness. The party hall is the perfect value to invite your family and friends. For a refreshing change, walk into our cafe for a hot cuppa or dip into the overlooking pool. Comprehensive facilities like a swimming pool and a fully equipped clubhouse. Welcome visiting friends and family for the finest in hospitality. Indulge in the luxury of private entertainment with a state-of-the-art mini theatre. A well-stocked library caters perfectly. With so many amenities outside, one can expect a wealth of facilities inside. The cozy and convenient 1 BHK at Sangvi EcoCity has a large and spacious vitrified living room that opens out to a continuous sun deck as in every flat. Want to make the most of each square feet? Then make the 2 BHK at Sangvi EcoCity your prized home. Explicitly planned, keeping your requirements in mind and using Vastu Shastra, the living room looms large and gives the impression of an unending space with classy French windows. Life is an experience that's meant to be valued, cherished and enjoyed not just over weekends, but over a lifetime. Step into a lifestyle that inspires you to live happy, live healthy at EcoCity, Dahisar. Sangvi EcoCity. Live healthy.